Hello friends! Welcome to my new video. In this video, I will teach you how to draw two flowers. Whoa! This drawing is so fun! So, let's get started! Okay friends, let's draw a flower. You draw a circle here. Now, you draw like a curved line here. Whoa! Next, you draw like this, like this. Whoa! This is so fun! Next, you draw another line here. Whoa! So cute! Next, you draw this line, and you draw this. Whoa, draw this. So cute. Draw this, and you draw, whoa, like this, and connect here. And draw this line. Whoa, so cute drawing. You can draw this line too. Whoa, so cute drawing. Next, you draw another flower like this. And connect it. Whoa, so cute! Go ahead. Next, you draw this and this. And you draw and connect it. And left side and connect them. Whoa, so cute drawing. You can draw two lines like this and draw this. Draw this and connect it. And whoa, connect it. Whoa, so cute drawing. Don't forget to sign your drawing. Renown Drafts. You can draw circles. Whoa! I finished this drawing and I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye.